Okay, hi guys. So you have an older Samsung phone or Android phone, and it's not the latest because you can't afford to buy the latest Samsung S24, S25. So when you try to install like an app, like before when you first got your phone, you can install the app because that was back then in those years. But all of a sudden, you wanted to reset your phone, and then now you resetted your phone and you want to download some apps, and you're having trouble. On the Play Store, it says it's not compatible with your phone, even when you update your software to the latest. And like Android 12 and all that stuff only works on like the latest phone. But for your cheaper model version of your cell phone, it can only go up to like Android 11. But you did that and you still can't install the app on the Play Store because it's not compatible. So you have to go look for a older version of the app. So in order to do that, first on your cell phone, you're going to search on Play Store and you're going to install the Mirror APK. So you search Mirror APK app and you first install that. Once you do that, you go to I tried it with my cell phone, like going to this website, the apkmirror.com, and then I searched for the app, and then gives you a list of like the APK apps, like a list of them. And then you're going to search on your phone, but you get confused. And when you click on download, it doesn't want to download. So the best method is to go onto your computer on the internet and then go to the apkmirror.com over here. So I was like trying to install my Fitness Pal over here. So I'm on Google Chrome now. So I'm just typing my Fitness Pal. Then I'm gonna enter, click search. And then you will find a list of all the APK files. But you can see this is like 2025. Obviously, this is like the latest in July. So this version is like the latest version that's working on the Play Store and won't work on your phone. So even when you scroll down, it's still in 2025, so it's the latest. So you just go to here, advanced search over here, and then here says minimum Android version. So I was using a Samsung Note 10 and it only had Android 9, but since I updated the software, it can do Android 11. So I just scroll here. You see 14, 13 to 11. And I just click apply over here. Yeah, once you apply, and then you can see this is May 6, 2025. So this is the Android 9 11 version, so you can click on it. Just note this website, it has a lot of ads over here, so you just click it. Then you can see here, scroll to available downloads. So you can see over here, this is the file. You can see minimum version, Android 9 and more. Then you just click on this. Click on it, and then over here it says download the APK bundle. So once you click download, it downloads into your computer. I go to my downloads folder, and then I copy it. I copy it using a USB or something. I'm just using SSD, but I use the this SSD. It has a C port over here, so it can connect to my Android phone because it uses a Samsung C port. So you just copy that file into your SSD, and then you copy that file into your phone download folder, and then you go to that APK, the Mirror APK app. You open it, and then on that app it says browse. So you just browse for the file, and then you click on it, and then they instantly that app can recognize that file. It's an APK file, and then you just click on it, and then you just click install, and then it will work on your cell phone. So yeah, so if you want, so that's how you install the older version of the Android app into your cell phone if it's not working, if you can't download it on the Google Play Store. So yeah, it's this is the most safest method, the APK Mirror. It's official for the Play Store, so it's not like when you go to download it on Pirate Bay or all these other sites, because once you do that, there's like the malware in it, and then it can control your phone and all that, and you don't know what's happening. Like if you do that, in the beginning it's working, but after a few hours it starts to catch up, because the scammers, they already notice that you installed it, and then they start working on your phone and try to get information from your phone. So I tried that before, and that was the baddest. That's why I had to reset my phone instantly, or else all my data gets stolen. But if you use the apkmirror.com, that is how you do it, because it's trusted source and it won't harm your cell phone or put malware on your cell phone. So it's trusted. So yeah, so that's how you can install any app that you can't download on the Android Play Store. Okay guys, so if you don't understand anything, you can comment on this video, and if this video was helpful to you guys, you can hopefully just give this video a good like. Thanks guys for watching.